I want. You got that sweet, sweet, sweet honey, sugar, and I want it sweet, sweet, sweet honey. You got that sweet, sweet, sweet honey, sugar, and I want it sweet, sweet, sweet honey. So give it to me.
Yo, what's up? Another day, another dollar, something like that. Welcome to Hume DIY. I'm Chris, and today we're changing out the beloved front door knob handle. Let's check this. Alright, see, we have this doorknob right here. Gold. Lock. 2 locks. 1 deadbolt. 1 lock. Twist and turn. Cheap. Very cheap. And so, if y'all can't hear that, that is the ice cream man driving right there. Just wave and say hello. No wave. Anyways, I should run after them, but I'm not going to. But yeah, I'm doing that today, and I'm really excited because we got some sick swag. Alright, I'm just gonna be cranking this bad boy out, so I'm gonna just put this in fast motion, I think, and then stop it if I need to say anything to let you know what's up.
Sweet, sweet honey, so give it to me.
Look at this nice baby. Nice matte black, looks very crispy.
Cause you're the tip to my top, the key to my lock, you're my breakfast in the morning. You're my up to my down and the king to my crown, and you're everything I want. You got that sweet honey. I want it. You got that sweet.
Alright, confession. I'm a noob. Earlier, I took this outtake. One thing I want to point out, something that I learned, is that the way you put these on is that the flat side here, the flat side you want to be where someone is trying to pull it. And that is completely wrong, because whenever you close the door, you need it to be able to shut. But if you have the flat side on the inside, or if you have the flat side on the outside and you push it, it's gonna get stuck right here. So you need to have it where it's sloped, so whenever it hits this, it rubs and it goes in, and then it's stuck, so you can't push it against here. So I was saying to do it the opposite way, but it's really the opposite of what I was saying. So don't listen to me, listen to the person. Check it out. Ooh. Locked. Unlocked. Alrighty, friends. That's it for this door. I don't know if this is going to be a full video or if it's just going to be part of a video, but thank y'all for watching. If you need some help on your door, check out the manuals. Don't send me a DM. Just kidding. Comment how much of a pain it is to change some of these doors sometimes when you just don't read the instructions and you just say YOLO and do it. But comment what project you're working on and what you would like to see on this channel. I have a couple projects coming up that I'm excited about, a couple that I'm finishing up, and that sun is pretty killer. But once again, thank you for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell, hit the Dougie. Alright, see y'all later.